Plant FAQs, Philodendron Grazielae. The enchanting Philodendron Grazielae, a jewel for plant enthusiasts. My fascination with the plant world began years ago, but the Philodendron Grazielae holds a special place in my heart. This captivating climber boasts stunning, heart-shaped leaves with a high-gloss sheen, making it a true standout amongst its philodendron kin. Over time, I've not only nurtured my own Grazielae, but also helped friends propagate theirs. Today, I want to share my experiences and unravel the secrets to caring for and propagating this unique philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Unveiling the Philodendron Grazielae. Unlike its sprawling philodendron cousins, the Grazielae maintains a compact growth habit. Its petite size, coupled with its glossy, emerald green leaves, makes it a perfect candidate for terrariums or hanging baskets. While it can climb, it doesn't reach for the sky like other philodendrons. This characteristic makes it ideal for displaying on a shelf or table, where its heart-shaped leaves can truly captivate the eye. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Grazielae boasts another delightful surprise. Mature plants produce white, trumpet-shaped flowers nestled within a protective spathe. These inflorescences, though subtle, add a touch of elegance to the already captivating foliage. Cultivating the perfect Philodendron Grazielae. The Grazielae thrives in a well-lit environment with indirect sunlight. Harsh, direct sun can scorch the leaves, so finding a spot with dappled light or filtered sun is ideal. Remember, their natural habitat is the rainforest floor, not a sun-drenched beach. Watering is key to a happy Grazielae. Aim for a consistently moist, but not soggy, soil environment. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Overwatering is a surefire way to send your Grazielae on a downward spiral. When it comes to soil, a well-draining, airy mix is essential. Aroids like the Grazielae appreciate a potting medium that allows for good air circulation around the roots. A combination of potting mix, perlite, and orchid bark can provide the perfect balance of drainage and moisture retention. Sharing the love. Propagating Philodendron Grazielae. Propagating your Philodendron Grazielae is a rewarding experience, allowing you to share the plant's beauty with others or expand your own collection. There are two main methods for propagating this philodendron: stem cuttings and leaf cuttings. Stem cuttings. Identify a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Using sharp, sterilized pruning shears, cut below a node at an angle. Remove the lower leaves, leaving just a couple of nodes exposed. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, but can encourage root growth. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water the pot lightly and mist the leaves regularly to maintain humidity. Place the pot in a warm, brightly lit location with indirect sunlight. Leaf cuttings. Select a mature leaf with a healthy petiole, leaf stalk. Using a sharp knife, cut the petiole at an angle just below the main stem. Some recommend making a shallow cut at the base of the petiole to encourage root growth. Plant the petiole in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix, ensuring the cut end is buried. Water the pot lightly and mist the leaves regularly to maintain humidity. Place the pot in a warm, brightly lit location with indirect sunlight. Be patient, propagation takes time. With proper care and consistent moisture, you should see signs of new growth within a few weeks. Philodendron Grazielae versus Microstictum. Both exhibit upright growth and share green heart-shaped leaves. To distinguish between them, focus on their leaf texture. Philodendron Grazielae presents robust, succulent-like leaves that are rigid and fragile, in contrast to Philodendron Microstictum's slender, pliable leaves. Final thoughts: a plant for all seasons. The Philodendron Grazielae is a captivating addition to any indoor plant collection. Its compact size, stunning foliage, and manageable care requirements make it a versatile plant suitable for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Whether displayed on a shelf or nestled in a terrarium, the Grazielae injects a touch of rainforest elegance into your living space. So, why not embark on your own Grazielae adventure? With a little care and these helpful tips, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will bring you joy for years to come.